Introduction and hook 002-030. Did you know that 70% of kidney stone formation in seniors comes from just wrong beverage choices? Every year, millions of elderly people experience excruciating kidney stone crises, but 80% of this is preventable. Today, I'm sharing with you 11 miracle drinks found in your kitchen that naturally dissolve kidney stones. Welcome to Health Memory. Today, I'll be sharing information that will protect the kidney health of your loved ones over 60. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll leave kidney stone fears completely behind. And don't forget to subscribe to our Health Memory channel and turn on notifications for more health-boosting tips. Kidney stones are one of the most common health issues seen especially in adults over 60. According to statistics, 1 in 5 seniors experiences kidney stones at least once in their lifetime. This rate increases to 30% in those over 70. It's 3 times more common in men than women. Main causes of kidney stone formation: insufficient fluid intake, wrong diet, sedentary lifestyle, age-related metabolic changes. But here's the good news. With the right beverages, you can prevent kidney stone formation by 85%. Scientific foundations. Harvard Medical School's 15-year research was conducted on 194,000 participants. The results were surprising. Seniors who consumed 2.5 liters of fluid daily had a 40% reduced kidney stone risk. Certain natural drinks could dissolve existing small stones. Drinks rich in citrate and magnesium prevented crystal formation. According to Mayo Clinic data, kidney stone treatment costs in seniors reach $5 billion annually. Yet prevention costs are almost zero. 11. Natural drinks. 1. Lemon water. Mix juice of 2 lemons daily in 1 glass of warm water. Citric acid dissolves kidney stones. Patient story. 65-year-old Mr. Johnson drank lemon water on an empty stomach for 3 months. His 4mm stone completely dissolved. Dosage: 2 to 3 glasses daily, 30 minutes before meals. 2. Grapefruit juice. Natural citrate source. Most effective against calcium oxalate stones. Scientific evidence. Study published in Journal of Urology showed 50% reduction in kidney stone risk. Dosage: 1 glass daily, preferably in the evening. 3. Celery seed tea. Cleanses kidneys, eliminates toxins. Preparation: 1 teaspoon celery seeds, steep in 250 ml boiling water for 10 minutes. Patient story. 70-year-old Mrs. Patricia showed no stones on ultrasound after 2 months of celery tea. 4. Watermelon juice. 92% water content and natural diuretic properties. Important note: diabetic seniors should consume carefully. Dosage: 2 to 3 glasses daily between meals. 5. Black bean water. Rich in magnesium, prevents calcium oxalate formation. Preparation: 1 cup black beans boiled with 3 cups water. Drink the liquid. Drink the 6. Fig juice. Rich in potassium and fiber. Preparation: 3 to 4 fresh figs blended with 1 cup water. Dosage: 3 to 4 times weekly, 1 glass. 7. Parsley water. Natural diuretic, kidney cleanser. Preparation: 1 bunch parsley boiled with 500 ml water, strained. Warning: pregnant women should not use. 8. Cherry juice. Rich in antioxidants and potassium. Scientific evidence. American Journal of Medicine reported 35% reduction in kidney stone risk. Dosage: 1 glass daily, preferably morning. 9. Carrot juice. Contains vitamin A and beta-carotene. Preparation: 2 medium carrots blended with 250 ml water. Patient story. 73-year-old Mr. Williams stopped stone formation in a 6-month period with daily carrot juice. 10. Peppermint tea. Soothes digestive system. Supports kidney functions. Preparation: 10 to 15 fresh mint leaves steeped in 250 ml boiling water for 15 minutes. Dosage: 2-3 glasses daily. 11. Natural mineral water provides magnesium and calcium balance. Selection criteria. Brands with low sodium, high magnesium content. Dosage, 1-2 bottles daily, 1 to 2. Preparation and usage guide. Daily program suggestion. Morning, 7:00 a.m. 1 glass lemon water, on empty stomach. Morning, 8:00 a.m. 1 glass peppermint tea. Noon, 12:00 p.m. 1 glass watermelon juice. Afternoon, 1:30 p.m. 1 glass celery seed tea. Evening, 6:00 p.m. 1 glass cherry juice. Evening, 8:00 p.m. 1 glass black bean water. Before bed, 1 glass natural mineral water. Weekly rotation. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, add fig juice. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, add carrot juice. Sunday, add parsley water. Important warnings and contraindications. Things to be careful about. Diabetes. Be careful with fruity drinks. Kidney failure. Consult your doctor. Medication. Use. Some drinks may affect drug absorption. Allergies. Test with small doses when starting a new drink. Medical checkups. Kidney function test every 6 months. Annual ultrasonography. Urine analysis. Real results and patient stories. Case 1. Mr. Johnson, 67 years. 8 mm kidney stone completely dissolved after 4 months of natural drink program. Case 2. Mrs. Davis, 69 years. Recurring kidney stone problem. No stone formation in last 2 years after 6-month program. Case 3. Mr. Thompson, 74 years. Pre-diabetes plus kidney stone risk. Resolved both issues with dietary changes. Conclusion and call to action. Kidney stones are not just genetic fate, they are a preventable condition. By incorporating these 11 natural drinks into your life, you can spend your senior years healthy and pain-free. Start immediately. Try at least 3 drinks from this list today. Increase your daily fluid intake to 2.5 liters. Track your progress. Remember, small changes create big results. If this video created awareness about your kidney health, don't forget to hit the like button. You can contribute to their health by sharing this information with your elderly loved ones. Write in the comments which drink you'll try, share your experiences. Subscribe to our Health Memory channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest information about senior health. See you in the next video on Health Memory channel. Stay healthy.